Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been getting a lot of requests to do this video, and it's taken me a long time, but I finally decided to draw it. So today I'm going to be showing you how to draw George from Rampage. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with George from Rampage, we're going to begin with the face. I'm going to start right here, and we're going to make a little line that's just going to go down, and it's going to come up and over for the top of the eye. Next, we'll do the same thing. We'll go down and we'll come up and over for the top of the other eye. Right here, we're going to make a little line. It's going to go right up here. And we'll make one up here. It's just going to go up. Next, we'll add a little line underneath each eye. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down. And then we're going to make one that's going to go up and over for the nose. Then we'll make a line that's going to go up and around. And we'll just come over and in. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over. It's going to come up and connect to here to form the mouth. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come over to here. We'll add two little V shapes for some teeth and a couple smaller ones. Then we'll do the same thing down here. So we'll draw a line that's going to come up. And a line that's going to go up and over and up and over. Start by drawing a line that's going to come up and down, and one over here that's going to go up and then down and in. Make a line that's going to go down and in, and one that's going to go down and then in. Starting here, we're going to make a little zigzag line that comes down for some fur. Then we're going to make curvy line that's going to come back here for the top of the head. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down here, more zigzags, just to make it look nice and furry. We'll make a little line that comes down, and then a little kind of almost like a peanut shape for the ear. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down. Then I'm going to make another line that's going to curve up like this. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out, and it's going to come back for one of the fingers. We'll make another one that's going to come up here. It's going to go down and over. And then we'll make a line that comes down. We'll make one up here. It's going to go around. It's going to curve and then come down. I'll do another one that's going to go down. It's going to curve and come down like this. And I'll do one more that kind of curves down and around. Next, we'll draw a line that's going to curve into here. Starting here, I'm going to add some more zigzag lines that are going to come down. Then they're going to come back to here. And then I'm going to bring this line down a little bit more this way. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and over. And another one's going to come over and then up here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little bit of a zigzag line that comes down for the shoulder. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down here, and I'm still adding some more of those zigzag lines to make it look furry. Starting here, I'm going to add another zigzag line for a shoulder. Then we're going to make kind of like a long line that comes down here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve in a little bit. We're going to make a line that's going to angle down. Start that next hand. Next, I'll make another line that's going to go down and in. We'll do one here. And I'll do another one over here, and I'm going to curve it around. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up for the hand. And then we're going to make some more zigzag lines to make that arm look really furry. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and in. And another one that's just going to curve in here. Then I'm just going to bring it around. Now starting here, I'm going to put his other leg up here so it kind of looks like he's in an action pose, like he's getting ready to jump down on something. So I'm going to start up here, so it's going to look a little weird. We're going to make a line that's going to come down, and it's going to come right around to about here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and it's going to come down and up. Make another one that's going to go down and around. And then we'll make one more here. Now I'm going to draw this line up, and we're going to make a line that comes down for that other toe. We're going to make a line that's going to go up to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and that's just going to come around here. Now here's our basic shape of George from Rampage. Now we just want to add some of the different details in here. So first off, I'm going to give him some pupils. So we're just going to add some little black dots right in here by the eyes. We're going to add a couple little extra lines over here. A couple little broken lines kind of right around the mouth. And I'm going to add a few of these extra little lines kind of right along some of these pointy zigzag lines that I made just to show some extra fur. We'll do a few more over here. And maybe a couple right along top of the head and the leg. We'll add a few more up here too. I'm going to add a little line right down here by the chest. And a little line here. And a couple more on here just to show some detail on them. We can add a couple little lines onto the knuckles and a couple on the feet too. And we can add a couple more little lines onto the fingers. And I'm going to put a couple more little lines right here on the hair or above the head. And there you go, there is your drawing of George from Rampage. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.